Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this My Cartoon Sister filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect, what you have to do, just go to your effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and search for My Cartoon Sister. Okay, first one with 442.8k videos, they're there. Okay, you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for Cartoon Sister filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect name. You can tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. From here you can use the effect or you can tap on any of this video. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the screen, the effect name is there with yellow. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page again. Now you can add it to your favorites from here, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Okay, likewise, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from your For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.